Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image, 3-4 years ago, and I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. I've been painting, making illustration, watercolor image, couple different styles. This is my subject today, and let's see what kind of image I can make. Try something different, painting colors. Try challenge something different, something exciting. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start from paint on this, but beforehand I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then let's see. This original image, I'm gonna use hue saturation to desaturate it all the way. Alright. Now we got the black and white. Then I'm gonna add layer to paint it on. Let's see. I tried pastel color last time. So this time I want to try something more dark colors. Let's see this skin tone firstly. I'm going to change blend mode to color. Then brushes, no texture, just brushing to medium blend. In this color, right. Oh, by the way, she's from one of the best model agency in Okinawa, Office Rhythm. Kind of rough touch now. I'm going to use eraser tools in medium blend. Alright. Go for makeup. Now let's see. Okay, that's one now. We can touch up later. Okay, we go for background. I'm gonna add one more layer, then change blend mode to color. Let's see, play around with something kids coloring. Something like a kid's coloring book or something. Let me try some. Maybe that's one. That's interesting. Once you get this background color, she's gonna disappear. I mean, you see her, but you don't see her. That's so interesting. Some colors, but no, I gotta change this. This is not right. Sounds strange. Okay, now leave it this way, and I want to add another layer for color. Well, this time I won't change this, just blend mode is normal. Then let's see if I add some texture. Well, how about this Oberon? Yeah, let's see this. Okay, now what I want to see is, let's see, this original image here. I'm going to bring this one up under the pencil drawing type image, then tone down about 50, then change blend mode to soft light 50%. Let me turn it on this colors. Okay, just leave it overlay 50% on this original image. We got some punch. Okay, now I want to try to smudge with the same airbrushing to medium blend. I'm going to smudge this color layer, blending to next color next to it. Alright, that's pretty good. Okay, pretty much smudged. Strange color background. Okay, now pretty much some interesting background colors too. Okay, well, just clean up these layers. I'm gonna get out of this, move this one, go up. Out to group and delete this group. Now I'm looking at overlay image to get some little bit contrast, and also I'm not using this one, but it's okay to have this, not much big deal. Yeah, just leave it, but I'm gonna smudge on this layer too. Little texture is fine, and just leave it dark texture. Alright, let's see, and yeah, this one gives some brush texture, so the place I don't want some textures, I'm just smudging. I may add some colors on here too. Okay, let me add some touch. Is this some cheap color? Is it? I may, yeah. Kind of cheap color, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna erase these. No, just give it all overall color. Well, I can get out of this strange color background. I'm gonna add a layer here. Now let's see about this pencil drawing type image. Okay, now under this pencil drawing type image, I'm gonna add layer, then fill in layer with white, fill and make mask. Now I'm gonna review with drawing. Yeah, evolves. Yeah, I think it evolves fine. Some pastel colors. Okay, then we're gonna see this pencil drawing type image. Now change to, yeah, how about linear burn? Then I'm gonna make mask. Now again, same, evolve. Lighten up some colors. I guess pretty much done. Alright, monotone image from the color image. Now I add colors on background. Then I add model's skin tone. Then I add original image, opacity 50%. Change blend mode to overlay to get some contrast. Then I make mask overall. Then last thing, I add linear burn on pencil drawing type image with mask to get this image. Today's result. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.